What is your name?
My name is Arslan Farooq.
Arsalan, please introduce yourself.
My name is Arslan Farooq, and my father is retired from Pakistan Army. Now he is serving in the Atomic SPD Dera Ghazi Khan, and I am the only son of my parents and one of my elder sisters. And I am the student of APS Multan. I done my matric from there and entered from the Punjab group of colleges. Now currently I am doing ACCA from SCANS.
That's good. So, how do you feel about being the only brother or only son of your parents?
Sir, it is very good.
Tell me about some of its advantages and disadvantages.
There are many advantages and disadvantages of being only son of the parents. One of the biggest advantages of the only son is that everyone loves you, everyone care about you, everyone is behind you, take serious you. And the disadvantages of only son is that you have to manage own work like outside work like grocery, buying grocery with parents, pay bills, electricity, and because I'm the only son, there is no brother.
Hmm.
And if someone ill in my family, so I have to go with them.
Hmm.
So that's disadvantage.
Okay, great. And so you are a student,
Yes, sir.
and how uh, how is your normal daily? What is your normal daily routine?
Yes, sir. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock, and then I go for a walk near my park.
Mhm.
And when I came back, my family was wake up, and my mom is making a breakfast for me. While making her breakfast for me, I get up ready for my university. Then I take my breakfast. Then I go for university, take a consecutively two lectures there, and then 1 hour break where I prepare ISSP. And then they take last lecture. Then after came back, take some rest. I use some social media, get awareness about what's going around in my country, in my world. Then I come CLC and take session there. Then after going back to home, take some rest and prepare my commission in Pakistan.
Great, great. That's a good routine. And do you think social media has a good effect on students?
Yes, I think that social media has very good effect on student because it's totally depend upon us that how we use the social media. It could be a good or bad. It's depend upon use.
Hmm.
So if we use it wisely, and it is very beneficial for student.
Great. And what percentage do you think of users use it in a good way?
It's varies. It's depend upon person to person. If some people are using social media for their source of earning, for their knowledge, for getting information, so there are many peoples are using social media in good way.
Great, that's right. And what are your future plans?
Sir, I'm currently preparing for ISSB, which is on the very next week. So I have to move on Friday towards Karachi, Malirkand, and other if I select there, so I will join Pakistan Army. Otherwise, I will continue my ACCA and become a ACCA chartered accountant in future.
Great. Good luck with your plans. That's fine. That's all. We'll
Thank you,
end
sir.
it here.
Have a nice day.